Hey guys, today I'm going to unbox the latest purchase which I've made from Amazon, which is the Ray-Ban reverse or Caravan reverse um, sunglasses. And let's get started. So the packaging from Amazon, as you know, is pretty similar. And we have the box inside, which is the Ray-Ban, as you can see the name, Caravan Reverse. It's pretty eco-friendly packaging. And if you open this, you will see the actual case which comes along. The other things which you can see is basically some paperworks and Luxottica branded sunglasses, as you know. Let's open the actual sunglass itself. All right, so here we go, the Caravan Reverse. So as the name suggests, if you look from the sides, you will see there is change in the way the lens is laid out. It's not coming out, but it's actually going slightly inside. And it's a gunmetal finish and gray color lenses. It's pretty good, as you can see. Looks really good as well, especially because it's one size. It's a 58 size, which is common. There's no smaller or larger than that. And got this particular labeling as well for warranty. If you open it, this is how it looks. The legs are pretty solid and the metal part is really good. Awesome. It's gonna look really good, I guess, and we can expect the quality from Ray-Ban. So that's it about the unboxing. Just let me know what you think about these glasses. The retail price of these sunglasses on the Ray-Ban website is currently 13,290 rupees. However, you can buy it from Amazon website at a discounted price. Please consider the link in the description if you're interested in buying this product. And thank you very much for watching, and follow my channel for such contents in future. Thank you.